Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a user without logging facility. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To create a user without logging facility, type user at -s /sbin /no login and then type the username. I'm typing the username Jakir. Now hit enter. The user is created. Now I'm going to check tail -5 /etc passwd. Now hit enter and look here. The Jakir user is added and the user has no login facility. That's why you will find here has been no login. This is the easiest way to create a user without logging facility in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.